Hello, I'm gonna try opening a bunch of Fusion Strike packs. Let's see what we can do. Smeargle, Caron, Chomperl, Morpello, Scomedy, Tynamo, holy moly, Elsa Sparkle. Did not expect a crazy hollow hit like that. And the rest are mid, as we all know. Let me see if I can sleeve this up. Hold on. Continuing on. Here's another one. Ah, it's so hard to open these things. My God. Terrible. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, Tropalini, Tynamo, Zaramali, Caterpie, Shelder, Mudkite. What in the world? Doesn't look like it's anything crazy. This, and that's it. See another one. Hard. So hard to open. Ah, my God. Come on, dude. Meowth. Marill. Hoptopoli. Woo! Glossifier. Patrosand. Toxtrity. That's about the end of that, dude. See what else we got. Here it is. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Ah. Keep this up. Need more hits. Shelder. Caterpie. Dilbur. Shinx. Rosemarie. Cathathera. We'll take it. Everything else, you know the deal. Alright, let's see what we could do here. Let's sleeve it up, sleeve it up. Time to go sleeve the shit. Tyranitar V. Okay. I'm trying to fix this. Okay. Here's another one. Oh my God. Okay, let's see what we could do. Growlithe. Chomcher. Mankey, Zigguron, Chansey, this, and this. Oh my God. Here comes another one. Come on, give me the best card in the set. Why won't you? Ugh. Onyx, Jiggly, Durant, this, Grapplot, Steelix, and it looks like that's the end, basically. Oh my god. Here's another. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Eevee, Shelter, Volts, all of that, and then it looks like we're not having anything. Alright, I'm skimming through this because I don't want to have this video be way too long. So let me see if I can open this. Spencer, then we got a lot. Whoa, we're taking it, bro. Oh man. Hold on. Oh man, oh man. I feel like Dracula in the cut right now, dude. What? Pretty fire, not gonna lie. Holy. We'll take it. A VMAX. Here it is. Continuing on. Let's see what else we could do. Morcapello, Scar, Shell, Pelusul, Muna, Texel. It looks like the rest are nothing else. Alright. Here's another one. See what we could do. Holy moly. Whoa. You're right, Onyx, Jigglypuff, Durant, Spencer, Manoon, Rookie Dookie, another. We'll take that, I guess. Didn't think I'd get double. It's still a hit. Still got a few more to go. Hold on. Whoa. Here's another. Oh my god. Difficult. Oh. Come on. Oh my god. Botleroy, Corsola, the Fish, Volpe, this, Onyx. Whoa, we'll take that as well. Hit after hit now, huh? Kind of surprised. Holy shit. This is pretty cool. I think I'd get so much greatness right now. Wow. Pretty cool, to be honest. Let's see, final pack. See what else. Last pack magic. Best card in the set right now. Can we do it? Come on. I believe it's a Gengar. Let's see if we can pull it off. Grubbaline, Rodham, Smargle, Caravana, Clamperl, Revenant. We'll take it. This rock machine, this. I put the thing down by accident. It's okay. I can pick it up and put it in the sleeve. All right. It looks like that'll do it.